Hey guys, welcome to our channel Hana Beauty. You know, large open pores on your face ruining your look. I understand how it feels when you look in the mirror and see those big pores, especially around the nose. And when you apply makeup on that foundation and concealer just settle into these pores. Enlarged pores adversely affect appearance of the skin and make it look rough and uneven. And though the size of the pores depend on genetic factors, several other factors to contribute to open pores. This includes stress, hormonal changes, and improper skincare. And they lead to excessive production of oil or sebum, causing blackheads, whiteheads, and clogged pores. And leaving on heavy cosmetic overnight further aggravates the problem. Get rid of them with the face packs given in this video. And given below are 3 amazing face packs that should be a part of the skin care routine to get rid of open pores. Now let's do it!
Honey and lemon juice. You will need 1 tablespoon of honey, a half a tablespoon of lemon juice, a pinch of sugar. And what you have to do, prepare a mixture of the above ingredients and massage this on your face. Honey has natural antibacterial properties which also help in keeping the skin clean and clear and fight off the acne and pimples. Lemon juice possesses astringent properties that help shrink pores. Honey also helps to draw excess moisture out of the clogged pores and kill the bacteria by releasing hydrogen peroxide. Lemon juice is a rich source of vitamin C, which has excellent skin cleansing properties. Its exfoliated skin, and due to its acidic nature, helps in removing every trace of dirt and impurities that clog the pores. The antioxidant properties of vitamin C fight off the free radicals. The slightly coarse texture of sugar makes it an ideal exfoliant for our skin. Moreover, sugar is a great source of glycolic acid. Glycolic acid belongs to the AHA family and is known to provide chemical exfoliation which clears up clogged pores effectively. Next one, massage gently in upward circular motions. And leave it on for 5 minutes. And then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Avoid wrapping off the mixture on a towel after rinsing off the pack. And you should do this twice or thrice a week. Oats face pack for open pores. You will need 2 to 3 tablespoons of oats, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a half a teaspoon of honey, and rose water. What you have to do, grind the oats to get a powder. Oatmeal is a great cleanser for our skin as it contains saponin. It can remove the toxin from the skin. Also, oatmeal can exfoliate our skin wonderfully. And next one, add lemon juice, honey, and some rose water to get a smooth paste. The acidity of lemon juice acts as an astringent and an antimicrobial agent. Honey is a good emollient and humectant in this face pack mixture. Rose water helps to balance the skin's pH, tone the skin, and shrink large pores. Apply this paste evenly on your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Now, wet your fingers and gently scrub off the pack using circular motions. And rinse your face with plain water. And apply this pack twice a week. Cucumber with rose water. You will need 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice, 1 tablespoon of rose water, and cotton ball. And what you have to do, prepare a solution by mixing cucumber juice with rose water. Cucumber contains vitamin E and natural oils that hydrate and nourish your skin. Its astringent properties help to tighten pores and fade fine lines and wrinkles. Cucumber also contains silica that slows down the process of skin aging and helps in brightening up on the complexion. And using the cotton ball, apply this all over your face and neck. You can keep this on overnight. Alternatively, you can rinse it off with cold water after 15 minutes. And you should do this on a daily basis.
These are the best face pack you can prepare with simple ingredients found at home and get rid of those ugly looking large open pores. And if you want to try it and tell the results, don't forget subscribing and hit the bell button to get all beauty tips from us. See you next video. Goodbye.